Hi fellow Rotarians. Today I wanted to go through a quick short step of how you can follow our Rotary Facebook page, whether it's you're signing up through your laptop or on your desktop computer, or you're actually utilizing your phone. So first off, we're going to go with the desktop. So what we want to do first is we want to go onto the World Wide Web, www, right? And you do that by utilizing a search engine. Now, for this example, I'm going to use Google, and I use Google a lot because it's used a lot more on the internet, and therefore a lot of these applications or these other landing sites work through Google rather than maybe, I don't know, Yahoo or AOL. So we're going to log on, and as you can see at the very top here, I already have some certain saved bookmarks, but I'm not going to click on those, and I go through it as if we're just writing it up. So one of the first things I would definitely advise you to have is your notebook, the book that tells you what your login and password is, because you're probably going to use it unless you've already saved the bookmark. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to look up Facebook. We're going to go Facebook login. All right, click on login. And for me, because it's probably saved, it's already going to go in there. But if it doesn't, it's going to ask you for what your login is and then your password. Once you're in and you're actually in your page, make sure you're on the home page. How you do this is at the very, very top, you can see a little house. I'm highlighting it right. It says home, but just click on it just to make sure you are actually home. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see search Facebook. So you click on that and type in Fullerton Rotary Club. And as you can see, it already came up on my screen. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to ask me if I want to follow. Oh, look, there's Johnny at the Christmas party. It's asking if I want to follow. So I'm going to click follow. And I'm going to go to the actual page itself. And you can see here, I can like it. Once I hit like, it's defaulted to, you'll see all normal posts. You want to unfollow if you don't want to follow them anymore, or things like that. So basically what we want to do is we want to make sure it's set for the default, so you can see all the posts in their usual order, and then basically you just update it. Now what this basically means is you can go to the page and you can see what's going on. There's a picture of Jim and Jim, and you can, let's say, scroll down here, and I can like it. And then if I go on here, I'd probably see that my name's on there as well, that I've liked it. Or I could leave a comment if I wanted to leave a funny comment. The other thing is when you go back to your home page, this is what's called your, sorry about that picture there. This is what's basically your news feed. And you, if the Rotary Facebook page had posted something new, it's going to come up here and you'll be able to see it. So that's how you do it on your Facebook page. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to log on if you were doing it through your cell phone. So what you want to do is you find the application, your Facebook application, and open it up. Now, if you're already logged in, it should automatically just open straight to your home page. And if you look at the very top right, you'll see the little spyglass. And if you just tap that, and then right in there, as you can see on my screen, it already says Fullerton Chamber, but let's just say it's not there. So let's just type in, there you go, Fullerton Rotary Club. We select that. It already says that I'm following, but that's because I just did that on my computer. But if I wasn't, I would hit the little button there. And then as you see at the bottom, you can do standard, up to 5 posts, any highlights, or you can turn it off. It's up to you whether you put the standard or the highlights. That's totally up to you. But the good thing is now you can be a part of the Facebook family there, and obviously enjoy all the posts that they do from the Fullerton Club. And of course, write your own comments or take your own pictures and post them up there if you like. That's another thing you can do. But the main thing is you're able to spread the word, especially as we need the help to sell the tickets for Uncorked. Now, whilst you're on there, why don't you like the North Orange County Chamber Facebook page as well? Remember, like and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.